I think it's time. I need to clean out this laundry room of ours, like big time. Yeah. I need to throw these out. You can smell that fragrance. Yeah. Okay. Welcome to Mount Washmore. Hi, I'm Dee, and welcome to another episode of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Today, I'm trying to get back on track from my wonderful, wonderful trip from Phoenix, Arizona at the Native YouTube Gala. I hope you guys checked out that video. But today, it's like I'm going to use Casey Nurse. She had a great idea of this title. It's called Mount Washmore, because get it, I have tons of laundry. When I came back, my mom's, her laundry basket was like totally full to the rim. And to be honest, it took me several days to just unpack my luggage. So of course I am like the last person to do her laundry. And I did ask on my live what you would like as a suggestion for the next Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And this was the request. It was the laundry/laundry room. And it does need a tidy for sure. So let's get started. Before I forget, this is an open collaboration Tiny Tidy Tuesday hosted by my dear friend Sunday from the Helpful Home. Go check out her channel. She posts every Tuesday a Tiny Tidy Tuesday playlist. It's an open collab. So if you're interested in something like that and you're a YouTuber, contact Sunday over at the Helpful Home. And don't forget to check out today's playlist. There's lots of motivation for you for other tiny tidies around your home. It's my stepmom's bouquet. I could probably save that. It was very beautiful. We enjoyed it. Thank you. It's not that bad. It just needs a quick tidy, right? This needs to go put away. This needs to go out in the recycling bin. It's also time for me to wipe down the appliances. I'm not really in the mood to do anything in the last several days. So this Tiny Tidy Tuesday is not only to motivate you who is watching, but also me. So let's see where this takes us. Shall we? Welcome to all our new friends who recently subscribed to my channel. Thank you. I'm a full variety channel with a variety of content, which I'm sure there's something for everyone. Queen G is eating her breakfast while watching the news, and today's supposed to be real nice weather. Great day to enjoy the garden today, so a Tiny Tiny is just perfect for me to do. I really need to be better at putting away all the laundry after each load instead of leaving it on top of the dryer. I was finishing up washing all the house linens after our full house of my family's visit. I'm figuring out what goes into what area so I can make less trips. I do that all the time when I leave a room. I take a quick glance around and to see what I can take with me when I leave that room into another room where it goes. I usually always leave a room with something in my hands. Do you do that? Wait, how did this conversation start? Back to my laundry. Tiny Tidy. Stay focused, Dee. Okay, so some of you are noticing my left arm. Your girl burned herself while baking cookies from the cookie sheet. But you know, the cookies were worth it, man. The cookies were worth it. Okay, that is quick tidy. Took all the coats out, put the laundry away, wiped my shelves. I didn't wipe those too, but I think we're okay with those. As long as I have all of that just wiped off. My washer and dryer. My washer's almost finished up. I put the extra shoes and the rain boots away, my slippers, and I restocked. So there we go. And that's it for my tiny, tidy Tuesday. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to check out the playlist.